In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Priority Inbox in Gmail. By the end, you will know exactly how to switch to Priority Inbox, customize what you see, and make your inbox highlight what truly matters first. Start by opening your browser and signing in to Gmail. It's easiest to set this up on a desktop or laptop because you'll have full access to the Quick Settings panel. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. That opens Quick Settings without taking you away from your inbox, so you can see changes as you make them. In the Quick Settings panel, scroll until you find the section labeled Inbox Type. This is where Gmail lets you choose how your messages are organized. You may see options like Default, Important First, and Unread First, but the one we want is Priority Inbox. Go ahead and select Priority Inbox. The moment you choose it, Gmail restructures your inbox into smart sections designed to surface what's most important based on your activity. Things like who you email, what you open quickly, and which messages you reply to. Right below Priority Inbox, click Customize. This is where the real power lies. You'll see up to 4 sections you can tailor. Common choices include Important and Unread at the top, followed by Starred, and then Everything Else. Pick the sections that fit how you work. For example, if you rely on stars to flag follow-ups, keep Starred near the top. If you want to focus only on new, high-priority mail, choose Important and Unread first. You can also adjust how many conversations show in each section, which helps you keep the visible list focused and manageable. As you customize, think about your daily flow. The first section should contain what you must act on soon. The next sections can hold items you want to review when you have a moment. If you see options to reorder or limit items, use them to reduce noise. Less on screen means faster decisions. When you're happy with the layout, scroll down and click Save Changes. Your inbox will refresh and you'll immediately see messages grouped the way you chose. Over time, Gmail learns from your actions. If something is marked important that shouldn't be, change the importance marker and Gmail will adjust. Likewise, starring is a great way to keep must-do items visible in their own section. That's it. Your Priority Inbox is ready to help you focus on what matters first. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.